Let me give you brief overview of Universa UniPriv. So what is this? So UniPriv is a decentralized matching engine with privacy preservation at its core. So what is the privacy focus system that we have created here? So it will show us active profiles, the matches made, and the privacy score. The key features are highlighted here, which is privacy preserving, advanced matching, decentralized architecture, group formation, transparent scoring, and data control. Here we can get the recent matches and also the system updates and the community highlights. So let's focus on the profile section for now. Okay. So here we can create various profiles. The main aspect here is that we can create the profiles using unique ID, name, and also giving them a description, and also the preference options can be chosen. For example, we can highlight the area of interest over here, like what kind of interest the person is having, the age, location, and also the availability for how the person is available throughout the weekend. And we can also give them right to share what kind of information should be visible to the groups and to the individual itself. And we can create profile here, and here are some of the key points that you can keep in mind to create a profile. You can also import and export profile using a JSON format, where we can transfer these demo users or also import profiles from different users to this application. Okay, so for the demo purpose, let's select any of the user. For say, let's select demo user one. So profile is activated for demo user one. Now the let's go to the matching section. We'll get to the group section in a later bit. Okay, so the matching is based on two algorithms here, the tags and the preferences. For now, let's leave it as default. That is tag-based preference. And the minimum score threshold that we select here is zero point 0.3. And let's bring this down to, let's say, 3. And we can see the find matches. Okay, so here we get the matches based on score, and we are ordering it based on the descending order. So we get user 2, user 3, and user 4 with the match score as user 2 as 94%, user 3 as 93%, and user 4 as 66%. So it is giving on based on the area of interest and the location. See, okay. Now let's move on to the next section, which is the group section. So in the group section, we can see there are various options here like create groups, browse groups, and get to the user's personal groups. So what we have in this group section is that it aggregates the profile based on shared interest. So we can have the common tag here and we can get to meet various people with the shared interest. For example, here we have created a single member group for networking and meeting frequency as monthly, which are the same component for these two groups. For example, this is for the development and the meeting frequency is weekly. Okay. Now moving on to the privacy tools. So we have four different options for the private tools. So this is PI detection. If we get any kind of personally identifiable information in here, then we can easily recognize it and we would be able to mask the options based on it. We can also have test minimization, which you can try it on the live version where I have deployed it. And also there is encryption based on the keys, and we can configure this also as per the user needs. We can also generate encryption keys over here where the profile gets the real kind of uh, decentralized manner to it. So the key feature to show for UniPriv is that it shows how privacy and matching can be cohesively effective, extending the architecture which allows for future algorithmic improvement, and also it will also include the real backend from the blockchain to get the results based on it, and to also have this the key features which I have implemented just yet. Okay, that's it for it. Thank you for